Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 26 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are doing the Maskology Hydraulic Gummy Molding Mask. And I am super excited for this one. I've never done anything like this before. I know that there are those I think it's by Dr. Jart. It's like those little, I don't even know what they are. They're like little plastic cups or whatever that you put the stuff in and you shake it on and you can put it on your face. I'm assuming this is something kind of similar to that, and I'm just going to go through this and read the instructions and all of that, and it says that everything is in here that you need, so I don't think I should have to go get anything, but we'll open it up and find out here. So it says it's a mix-it-yourself molding mask, goes on like a jelly and peels off like a gummy for intense hydration and firmer skin. And directions are to cleanse the face to remove any makeup, oil, or environmental toxins. I have done that, and then I was picking at my face a little bit too because I just can't help it. So now my face is a little red from it. Nice job, Laura. And second is open the pouch containing the hydraulic gel, which is step 1, dispensing into provided tray. Carefully open the pouch containing active powder, which is step 2. And add to hydraulic gel with supplied spatula. Mix for 60 seconds into a thick paste with an even texture. Work quickly as mask begins to set once mixed together. Step 5, apply a thick, even layer onto the skin. Step 6, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes until mask solidifies into gummy texture. Step 7, peel off mask carefully, working from the outside in. And then step 8, remove any remaining product with a damp washcloth. Okay, so this is the spatula. Am I supposed to apply it with that? Yeah, I don't know if I like that idea. I might go grab someone else here. This is the mixing tray. It's just a cardboard box. Yeah. I can literally see like little holes in the bottom of it, so we're going to be grabbing something else. That's going to go in the recycling. Yeah, we're going to grab our own stuff. So I'm going to go grab a little container, some type of applicator, and I'm going to go put my hair up, so we'll be right back. Okay, so I just grabbed this little glass jar, that way we can see what we're mixing. And we're going to get step 1 out here. And I was going to grab that little plastic ones that I used, but I didn't think it would be big enough. It seems like there's a lot in here. And then I got 3 different choices for applicators here. I wasn't sure what the texture was going to be like. So, I'm just going to cut the corner so I don't make a mess everywhere. So it's like a light blue color. Okay, so I've got all of the gel out, so there is quite a bit in there, and then it says to do the activating powder. This should be okay to cut open across the top. I'm thinking the bigger opening, the easier it'll come out. Try to make sure none of it's in the top before I cut it open. Mix for 60 seconds into a thick paste with even texture. Work quickly as mask begins to set once mixed together. So I'm just going to use the end of my little spoon here. Tiring on my hand. doing 60 seconds now. Okay, so that's what it looks like all mixed together. I think I'm going to use this e.l.f. one. It's like putting slime on your base. It feels pretty cool. It's nice and cooling. Learned about my little baby hairs. And my eyebrow hairs. So to do a thick layer, so I'm trying to do thick. I got plenty of product here. Whatever I don't use is just gonna go to waste, so. Oh, it's going on my nose. It's super hard to get an even layer. I think we'll just try to get as much on the face as I can, and then we'll see how I can even it out here. Doesn't smell bad. It smells clean. Oh, it's dripping on me. Okay, so the spatula thing is not working out for me. I'm going to try to go in with my little brush here and see how that does. try to thicken it up now. It's definitely starting to dry up in the container. It's not as glossy looking. So you have to work quickly like it says. I wish there was a little bit more wiggle room there. Still got some left in here. I'm going to try to get the most out of it that I can. Alright, so pretty much got all of it out of there. I didn't make too terrible of a mess. I can see there's a little bit on my robe. Not quite what I thought it would look like to start off with. I thought it would be a lot more glossy and even looking. This is just kind of like a hot mess right now. I don't know if it was supposed to look like that. Like I said, as I was putting it on, the stuff in the container was starting to get kind of dried and clumpy looking, which is what it looks like on my face. When I originally applied it to my forehead is what it looked like. It was all shiny and glossy looking. So I guess we will go ahead and do the 20 minutes, and we'll come back and see what it looks like and start peeling it off. Okay, got my phone counting down the 20 minutes, and we'll be back when it's time to take it off. Alright, so we are back. It has been the 20 minutes. You can tell it has definitely glossed up quite a bit. It still feels like it's wet, and I think it's supposed to. I think it's supposed to be more like a gel. I don't know if you can see that my hand, yeah, you can see how it's like kind of wet looking. So, I don't know, I think it's supposed to be like that because it has been the 20 minutes. It has been, you know, a little over that, so it's been past the recommended time, and I can already feel it like loosening up like from the side here, so it's ready to come off, and I'm pretty positive that it'll come off in one piece, so we're gonna find out here. It says you're supposed to go from the outside in, but I always get a good starting point right around my mouth. Oh, it's already breaking up. Oh wow, this is super weird. Oh, it fell off. Wow, I'm super impressed that that came off as good as it did. I still got some chunks like around my neck and stuff, but wow, that's crazy. I really thought that it was going to be a lot more like chunky mess everywhere. Feels super weird. It feels just like slime. Still really wet feeling, but it all dried together. That's going in the garbage. And they already have a warm, damp cloth here, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the remaining. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, while I had it on, it kind of was starting to itch a little bit. Like there were spots where I just wanted to be like, "Arr." It wasn't like uncomfortable itch, like a burning itch or anything. It just, yeah, it was a little irritating. Okay, I think I got everything removed. I don't think we're supposed to wash your face or anything. Yeah, it just says remove any remaining product with a damp washcloth. So we have done that. Okay, so this mask claims that it is intensive, moisturizing, and firming action. It's hydrating, firming, and brightening. I do feel brighter. I definitely feel moisturized. It's not like a clay mask where it like soaks all the oil out of your skin. This is like an intensive moisturizing mask, and I definitely feel that it did that. As far as firming, I mean, I just don't really feel like I can confirm or deny whether it's doing that or not. I don't really feel like I'm at an age yet where I have like spots in my skin that I need like uplifted and stuff like that. I just don't see a mask firming your skin unless it's somehow like really tightening on your face. But yeah, other than that, I actually kind of thought this was a lot of fun. I didn't really care for the little container or the spatula that it came in, and I wish it would have went on a lot better, but for $2.50, you can get this at Walmart, $2.50, I thought it was worth the 20-25 minutes of fun that you get out of it. This would be something cute to do with some girlfriends, or if you have like a little niece or daughter or something like that. I thought that was a lot of fun. So comment down below if you have tried this or if you're going to go pick it up. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.